The world of e-commerce is absolutely massive. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a product that is estimated to reach $7 billion in sales this year. And I'm going to share with you a theory here, a thesis as to why I think this product is going to make over $1 billion on Shopify. So we're not going to waste any time. We're just going to get right into it. This video is going to be fun. Now, we're first going to talk about what the product is, the market share, and then I'm going to share with you some examples of products already being sold like this and why the competition is pretty average, I would say. And then I'm even going to show you how this product is being capitalized on via TikTok Shop. And I'm going to show you how you can source this product. So, a lot of stuff. The product I'm talking about is cordless vacuums. As you see by this trend, these constantly spike at the end of the year. So this product is about to boom in the next 3 months. It's happened literally every single year for the last 5 to 10 years. So we can expect that to probably happen again, right? And so it's no surprise then that we can see this product on TikTok Shop. It's a cordless vacuum doing over $200,000 per day on TikTok Shop. This is unreal. Whoever's running this, hit me up. I would love to scale this outside of TikTok Shop as well. This is insane, right? This is some crazy numbers. And really what's crazy about it is that they launched this in October 11th, right? So in under a month, they're going to reach over $1 million in revenue total from this product. Of course, the margins are probably slim as they're offering this for $98 and the cost of shipping has to be pretty expensive. So I'm guessing they'll only walk away, if they do $1 million month, their margins are at most 10%, so $100,000 in profit. And that's honestly an overestimation based on the price that I'm seeing. Because if we look at the rest of the market, let me actually now show you the market. These go for a lot more than what TikTok Shop is offering them at. And just so you know, in order to start a TikTok Shop, you don't need a Shopify store, but it's a great idea to just make Shopify your foundation because Shopify has the TikTok app and it allows you to integrate your store to the TikTok Shop. So definitely do that. You can use the link in the description to start your store for $1 a month. It's an incredible deal. So make sure you take advantage of it, especially since I just told you this product is going to boom in the next few months. And like I was just saying, the competition sells these at really expensive prices. This is a German brand, I believe. Could be wrong. Don't roast me in the comments. Maybe it's not. Actually, I don't know why I thought that, but I think it was German when I first logged onto it and then it got translated. But this is a really cool vacuum. I mean, this one is awesome. I would totally buy this. Here's another example of a similar vacuum. This one is $249. And of course, the Dyson, if you're in the US, you probably have heard of this brand. This is like the top tier, S tier vacuum, cordless vacuum, and this one's like $600. This one's like an iPhone basically. So that's crazy. And guess what? On Alibaba even, we can find similar models and with very low minimum order quantities. So if you're someone who's just starting your business, for example, and you've never had success with Shopify, this is what I recommend you do. Invest $100 into a few of these products. If you live in the US, order them to your home and just list them on TikTok Shop and see, and then just make content with it and see if they sell. I guarantee you it will sell. And here's the thing. Well, I don't guarantee you it will sell. Maybe you're like just a terrible marketer or content creator, but you see all the data I'm showing you. It's not, if you make content around it and it's listed on TikTok Shop with fast shipping and some decent images, it will sell. And then what you can do is you can contact a sourcing agent in order to be able to order inventory to the US but not have to handle it yourself. A lot of sourcing agents, at least ones that we have contact with in the Academy Lab, they have US warehouses that they can store products in if you need inventory. There's also a bunch of 3PLs, third-party logistics companies that can help you do this. In the US, if you want really fast shipping, I have a lot of them in the Academy Lab, like I said, so you should definitely consider joining. But you can also just ask me in the comments. Now, yeah, as I just showed you, there's so many options on Alibaba of potential vacuums like this. Of course, I'm not going to guarantee that the quality is going to be good, but some of these surely have incredible qualities. I mean, this one has almost a 5-star review out of 15 reviews. That's pretty good. That's almost statistically significant. I think this is a really incredible idea for anyone out there, especially when we look at the competitors, right? Like, I actually just browsed the wireless vacuum. I could probably type cordless vacuum as well. That's a really good keyword if you're running Google ads. And a lot of the competitors are quite expensive. So these ones that are under 100, they really stand out. And that's probably the reason why it's popping off so hard on TikTok Shop right now. And as I just showed you, this is actually the store behind it. It's just a general home store. That's all it is. And they started listing products on the 11th, and now, they're absolutely killing it. And here's some of the creators that they used. Pretty simple creators, right? Like, this girl made 200K for them in the last month, and she just makes random content. I mean, it's so weird. Oh, belonged to seller. Interesting. So actually, the seller created this store. I didn't know that. I didn't know that until this video. So that's pretty insane. Oh wait, actually, it's only $200 that it brought in. But you see what I mean, right? The unit price 109. They made some content around it, and they got a couple sales. I think anybody could do this. It's kind of like a better version of eBay in a way. Like, order products, find products nearby, list them on TikTok Shop, and make content around it. And have your Shopify store linked up in the back end so that you're capturing all the data from your customers, and then you can actually start building a brand. That's the thing. I think it's basically impossible to build a real brand just off a TikTok Shop. Likewise with Amazon and things like that. I think a real brand comes when you own your customer data, and when you're actually, doing remarketing and getting people consistently excited about your brand. And that's really hard to do in a marketplace such as TikTok Shop or, Amazon. Obviously, it's easy to do with social media, so it's fine to be on those platforms. I think it's a good idea to be on those platforms, but Shopify should be the foundation of it all. And yeah, I mean, that's basically what I wanted to show you. I thought this was a really cool idea, and it may not be feasible for the majority of you, but it at least will get you thinking about how to launch a business in the modern day and age we live in, at least from someone who actually knows what they're talking about. We're creating new businesses all the time, running ads for a ton of businesses and helping them grow. So I see so much data every single day from some incredible shops, even nearly $1 million a month Amazon stores that are transitioning into Shopify and vice versa. So yeah, if you want to tap into our community and you want access to my network basically of resources and a bunch of research and educational products, check out the Academy Lab. It's in the description. It's a really cool product and a really good division for Academy. Academy being my main company where we do media buying for incredible brands. And yeah, that's really it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.